Hello and welcome to our look at the July 14th trading session. In front of you I have the economic calendar as per usual, and you can see that we have a slew of announcements coming out of Great Britain, the CPI and PPI being more notable. That of course will affect the FTSE and the British pound. Then we have German zoo economic sentiment that can affect the DAX directly. And then after that, we have retail sales out of the United States, which of course will move the U.S. stock markets. Late in the session, we have GDP and industrial production coming out of China, which can move a general risk-on, risk-off type of attitude. With that and the Greeks coming to terms with the EU, and just simply waiting for a parliamentary vote, which seems to go through, it should be a pretty volatile day. Looking at the FTSE, you can see that we did rally a bit during the session. Right now, though, it just simply looks like one of those situations where you're going to see enough volatility that you need to break the highs in order to start buying calls. Pullbacks could be call buying opportunities as long as we do not break the bottom of the range for the session on Monday. You can see that the British pound has in fact rallied during the session on Monday, but gave back a little bit, so this shows there might be a little trepidation about going higher. Given enough time, though, if we can stay above the 1.55 level and find some type of supportive candle, maybe like on the 1 hourly chart or something like that, we would be called in this market, as we believe that ultimately the British pound does go higher. And finally, you can see that the S&P 500 most certainly had a positive session, and it should continue to be that way. Short-term pullbacks invite short-term call buying opportunities. With that, we've taken a look at the July 14th trading session.